Hi family, Assalamualaikum. Welcome back to another video. If you're new here, my name is Zainab and thank you so much for clicking in this video. For my returning, hi guys, welcome back. So in today's video, I'm sharing with you guys this delicious lunch or dinner recipe. This is grilled fish and butter sauce. Yeah, so we're gonna start by marinating the fish. I'm using baby hake. This is a 800 gram. Yeah, so I wash nicely, it's clean. And yeah, so I'm going to just use lemon, salt, black pepper and garlic paste. Okay, so yeah, I'm going to add that and mix it well. Leave it to marinate for about 15 to 20 minutes. Sorry guys for not using measurement, but you can add 1 tablespoon of garlic, 1 teaspoon of black pepper and 1 teaspoon of salt. Okay, yeah, so and then you just rub together. Make sure the fish is all saturated with all the lemon, and I forget the lemon is half lemon, guys. So there is a half of lemon, or of a medium lemon. Okay, yeah, so yeah, just take your time and rub nicely the fish with garlic and salt and everything. Yeah, so I'm going to leave it to marinate for 15 to 20 minutes like I said. So now we need like a few cloves of garlic. Yes, 5 cloves of garlic. I'm going to chop that nicely. Okay guys, so we're gonna use this baking rake to bake our fish. I'm rubbing with some butter to avoid the fish from sticking on it. So I'm gonna grill the fish for about 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, I'm going to bring it out and rub some oil, some butter. I'm gonna flip it over, rub some butter, put it back again for another 20 minutes in the oven. Okay, so as we are waiting for fish to be done in the oven, we're gonna prepare the butter sauce. So here is 200 grams of butter, and I'm gonna add garlic which we chopped earlier, and I'm gonna fry the garlic for about 1 to 2 minutes until the color start getting brown, as you guys can see there. And I'm adding a teaspoon of plain flour, and then I'm adding 2 cups of full cream milk. So you have to keep stirring until the pot start boiling. Okay, so now I'm adding a teaspoon of salt, teaspoon of black pepper, oregano about 1 teaspoon as well, and then I'm going to add also a pinch of egg yellow food color. Okay, so now I'm going to slow the flame and let it boil in low flame for about 20 minutes. Yeah, now it's after 20 minutes. As you guys can see, the sauce have thickened and looks really beautiful, you guys. It's really yummy, this sauce. So Now I'm gonna check the fish. It's been 20 minutes in the oven. I flip it over already, and now I'm rubbing some butter, and I'm gonna put it back and leave it for another 15 to 20 minutes. After that, I'm gonna just take it out, and I want to show you guys that you can also fry the fish if you don't have oven. So here there was a few pieces of fish. I didn't want to take to put it in the oven again, so I use this method. I fried in the pan. It's also very yummy, guys. The fried one is also delicious. So I'm going to fry. I add a little bit of butter, and yeah, so yeah, it's really yummy, guys. You can do this if you don't have oven, or maybe you just don't want to use oven. Okay, yeah, so the fish is ready, and it doesn't take long like in the oven. Okay guys, so here is our fish. Is ready, a grilled one and fried one as well. So now I'm going to bring a tray. I'm going to line up the fish in the tray, and then I'm going to add some sauces on top, the butter sauce which we made, and then repeat the same step until we are done. Okay lovelies, our dinner is ready. Now I'm gonna just garnish with some fresh coriander, which is total optional. With or without fresh coriander, it's still yummy. It's ready, guys. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to give it a nice thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in the next one.